Right, I'm going to do a few modifications to the fuel tank. I've got the pump out a second because I want to put one of these in the corner right about here. So this is the far corner front passenger side of the car. It's a ball valve. So it's like a rollover valve and a tank breather as well, because I am thoroughly paranoid about this not being able to be filled up properly via the filler. So I'm putting this as far away from the filler as possible so it's got the best chance. Also, I already have a breather next to the filler anyway, so that should help it. So that covers both sides of the tank. That's this side and that side. And that side is actually the highest, or that edge is the highest. So we've got the top of the tank really in that corner with the ball valve. And then we've got this here helping or aiding the fill. So that should help. And one more thing I'm going to do is take this 28-ish millimeter bit off and replace it with this 36 mil, because that's the only size pipe I could find. There's like 36, 38 mil, something like that. Oh, 38 mil. Yeah, so I'm going from 28 to 38 mil so that I can fit some flexible hosing on there, weld that on there instead of that one, and then we can put the fuel filler to the neck of the car, and then I can fill it like normal. But anyway, gonna cut this out. Well, drill a hole over there, fit that fitting in, cut this off, re-weld that on. That should take me an hour or two. Okay, there we go. We got the breather. I had to put it in the middle because I couldn't get a spanner right to the corner because I got my baffles along here. So I put it in the middle, but at least it's that side of the tank, which is higher in the car than this side of the tank. I've also, I know I think I failed with the camera. I forgot to press record. Cut in the old one out, but the new one is now welded in. That is now 38 mil, so that fits the pipe that I bought. And I didn't fully manage to keep all the swarf out of the tank, but that's not too much of a problem. I'll just chuck some fuel in there, wash it round, and rinse it out. Need to get some pipe for that. I got some pipe for that. I need to get some pipe for that, and then this can go in the car with the fuel pump and stuff back in it. The stuff right here. So there's my pump and the hat there's the filter, the return pipe, the feed pipe, and then the fuel fill pipe. All I need to do now is sort this monstrosity out. Oh, Mercedes head bolts. Get out of the way. Yeah, so I need to sort that out, which is car side or filler side. There's the filler. I think it goes correctly in the car. I just need to make sure it ties up correctly and then fit that 38mm pipe somehow on that 28mm pipe on the car. Perhaps I'll need to make an extension for this or something, or make a bigger pipe. Either way, that's a problem for tomorrow, I think.
Turn it up now.
We are going to finish off the fuel filler neck, basically. So I've got this 38mm, I think it's 38mm barbed mild steel piece of pipe. I'm going to weld it on in a place up here somewhere. This filler pipe then gets attached to that. We've got a breather that goes to the breather right next to the filler on the tank, already on the breather up there, which is part of the standard focus stuff. And then we have to find a way to fit this breather, which goes to the rollover valve, onto a barb fitting that I'm going to weld onto this as well. So I'm going to set you up here somewhere-ish. Maybe, hopefully, you'll be able to see what I'm doing up there. If not, I'm going to pull that out anyway to weld it. And yeah, hopefully you get the idea of what I'm going to do. And once all that's done, I previously put a stud here with a thread in it before it went away for paint. So we can, if that goes up there like that, we can make a bracket to hold all of these up out of the way. Because wheel goes round round. Now it's pretty dark, but hopefully you can see. So we've got I've just got this holding this off for a minute because I need to put the bracket there to hold this in place. But there's the three pipes. One goes on there, one goes on there, one goes on the one on the back. And that gets pinned up there. and that should allow the filler to fill properly. If we look at the fuel filler, there's the drill bit down there, but the cap can go back on as normal, and then lid shut. Juk juk bop. Needs to be pinned a little bit over that way to make it look a bit better, but who cares, eh? It's a fuel filler. Okay, that's another job ticked off the list, I think. Fuel tank is in, fuel pump is all plumbed up, the lines are all plumbed in up to the front, but we'll sort the rest of that out when the engine goes in. All I need to do now is test to make sure that there's no leaks. Fingers crossed. I hope everything is fine, and I hope it fills properly as well. But I'm not going to be able to test that until we get to an actual fuel pump. Either way, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends if you think they might enjoy it. If you want to see more on the car, give the channel a subscribe. If you want to support the car, you can give the channel a join. You can also join on Patreon to help support and pay for the paintwork. You get your perks, you get videos early, you get behind the scenes footage, you get to see the actual colour of the car, which doesn't change with the click of a finger. Leave me a comment down below if you hate how much I've changed the colour of this car this video. Sorry, not sorry. Soon, I promise. Anyway, with all that said and done, go and do all those bits. Go and follow on Facebook, Twitter, and all Instagram and all that sort of stuff as well. I'm sure you'll get to see plenty on there. Until next time, well, I will see you again because you're going to subscribe. Ciao in a second once I've tried to fill it up with some fuel. Please work. It's either going all over the floor or it's going in the tank, which is good. Nice. Ciao.